Where are we, Sid?
Lumsford.
Yep. And this is January 2023.
Yeah.
Let me take some video. It's beautiful weather. All right, this is January 2023, and we're doing some hiking. Hey, Sid.
Okay. What's that over there?
Yeah, go. Beautiful. It's not very cold. I'd say it's like 45 degrees. And Sid is trying to stand on that log.
Can you go to the very end?
No, I don't think so.
I think I should stay here.
Yeah, maybe a couple steps, but maybe not even that.
I might fall.
Yeah. Alright. Hey, Sid. Yeah. We are here doing hiking, January 2023. Sid, how do you feel, man?
Good. Look.
Oh yeah, that is true. Where'd that go? Where'd that go? It's right there. What kind of geese is that? Canada geese, yeah. That's right. It's beautiful up here, right?
Yep.
We had a great time. January 2023.